Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So in someone ebe anoshi, I'll try to paint the picture for you. Now idea way a court ama pape naswayeshi. Now the areas and the names I'll be mentioning, no, I'm pronouncing it more fanchame. They are areas and names naturally I'm not familiar with. Okay, so pape be a friend. Yikate Somate mambo dini ya mofancheme wedi 60 years na papai woye farmer woye kwieni ewo baby a ye friend Gando na sa Gando yesi ye bo district pa ne district din Solar Tuna Kaba district ewo Savannah region the northern side of the country. Now the man right now he's in police custody for allegedly killing his wife. Allegedly. Mamenka brofuni allegedly. Hey, brofuni. Okay, so for allegedly killing his wife, papa no hunti police for action. Na eden esiye, eden na Emma sebe okunu ebeku ne yere nini na emu ne se papa no susu se ne yere fa nechi. Woni wo be mafoforo ehhehye ho. Obema fofra womu na ewo the same community nim one ne hyehyɛ ho ene nti 60-year-old man o say o feel jealous we kune yere yaya and na me ne oka say he has been charged with murder. Yede no ekogina court, the Boli Magistrate Court, and judge awodi asem ne friend his worship Andrews Kujo say yede no akọ remand. He is to reappear in court on July 15th, a year next month. And then they see police phone someone one ba. What happened? And then a ma papa no arrested no. Assembly ni neni. Senior me din kan no. Allegedly na ne say na yere efa nechi. Na yere na nkasa wenyi wedi 57. Papa ne di 60, na yere di 57. Omo yenkrofobia obetumi akasa yes omo enyi. O hwe omo abon say omo ye enta abrewa ene akokra age nim. Now ne yere nso edin minim se membo ni okay ne yere din Bora Bombiate wewu intino Bora Bombiate mambo dini ya mofancheme. Now what happened NSS send me din kan no this man actually thought or were accusing the yere say wo cheat one so with another man in the community into a sheda dada ne yere no. And Leon Bruni he lured the wife to the bush. Uyobia we kweni one ne yere womodo into a catch and the yere say oh yanko ni ribe didechi into a dada ne yere ema ne yere edi nechi omo call a year bush muno and I say wo kra pepe eye meko and I will share meko no egu ne yere ni so na fe ne yere no wo hu hwe na fe papa ya twese kan cutlass ne yeri trim zra ne yeri ani zra say wo dwudwa ne say be wo bia wanya aponchenam ejidwa ne yeri say wan fa ne ni anto so amfere say for all these years amene mami yatena say yenyi abom medi 60 onu nso di 57. So wo hwe no wo chiti wo so asem ade bia meka ne say wo hwe no so wo bi chiti wo so na wuntumi a just leave the person. I don't understand why people feel say wo bi fa mechi me yere fa mechi e wo se mekuno mama wati ase say this year ye ka Ghana pa sansem no koso pa wo Ghana wo bi chiti wo bi super afase kan wa yese we kuno say asasisi ano nipekuno aye too easy e wo Ghana but first pan kan shada anti BBC o asasisi ano in our families I don't know what's happening to the extent that you can even kill your wife I want to for all this while mama to asem so it all the second no edwudwa no sesebe aponchenam edwudwa no e ma ne yene to fom e wo bush mu ho blood oozing ekuno owie no twe ne yere no ne body no odi ko sie ye e wo bush mu e na wo dwane ye na wo dwane ye no anya lucky a police for kochino na senya police for ekochino police for nangasa no omo district commander sa district na asem ni police no district commander friend the draft ama ejei now wono e na wo confirm assembly na assembly amene o ka say e wo daily guide newspaper mu omo website kra wo ho nti police na e confirm assembly e ma daily guide for na nini na emu no ne yere na woku no ne yere ne wofa ena cheso kobo police amane say nesi na minim say papa no na yade a wa threaten ato ho say then because omunia wo mu hu say dabi we die eye papa ya ena we disanya mbransemi owie nso we dwane ena police for ye ya omoko chino omoko bebi asebi papa yi wo disanya mbransemi no ne yere ena woda ho a moja broni besie in a pool of blood ani ti sika ne dwudwa ne 3 ne ni chese dwudwa na nkasa nipa da seni yeah I understand the fact say so what they were coming near eshe will be mu and then you see the person cheating on you. I understand the fact that is a sight not pleasing at all. It is not a pleasing sight. And I would not even wish that on my worst enemy. It is not a pleasing sight. But please, Miss Remo, Miss Remo, killing the person is not the answer. Mama, what's here? So who got to say will be air far away, and I got to say who knew any who knew any before for air da. Won't pay nipa krona, e hona no we jani nipa krono. What for your bag and baggage? Oko, you pack your bag and baggage, you are gone. But we shall not send nipa kono when you were that, and now who knew any before for that. Now we shall not pay wadia. Now I can say ani macho. Nanso me pema de intima ne bakone nko na me fa ma de sa. It's as simple as that. To the point where you feel killing the person is the solution. I think there's something wrong. There is something wrong. I have told you countless times. Say Ghana you read this year muno. These stories are just coming up. So obakaya me mamoti ase enu hunti Nkrofo ebe blaste papa bia say Ashanti region no ye Ashanti regional minister osagyen no so this year ye share say mo ansa na corona betwi ni ti January mu no na sa cases ne eba Kumase obeti ye obi ekoku ni kunu obi eku ne yere ma ye frɛ I think CTF for na frɛ no say na we so aban enye den fa ho obi no ne yere nya asem na watwe se kan eku na then I pass a buy a fan. And you see, that even shows Sebi the neglect of people in power. Because he sees nothing wrong with it. Or who say now when so I buy the card and fan. Now so a politics and I be bia, one mobile bone for be dump him. Now one more I then advising Crawford. Now say during this year now, the vice president held a lecture the our can some say Annie and the city yen say city need for Lena so can some and the city the no. Nini nano town talk or hall talk was at the you can organize that things and talk to people. Let's try to see what's going on in our society. A baby a kurobi swa a see 1 2 3 no yebehunu say dabi there's something wrong with the society. Yeah, money in CBM. They'll try to do an investigation to find out what is going on. Is it frustration? Is it that the men are getting frustrated? I think it was during this year na and I encourage so sa Papa Bia say or Asha or your Usher or said a Presby sorry I don't know whether it's Presby or not, but sorry Kesie Bisa one crime. Ono so sa ne yere. What kind of number of times I see you stabbing now? Maybe over 30 times. See kind of what we just say, but when minister will pursue Kuno. And even them, they were living in a compound house. So people heard what was going on. And people were shocked, say, Nkofu yenti so wo akunda. Okune yere, ya. So a child say, it is a current trend. It is something that's going on. How can we solve this thing? And I see a jack, I say, oh, wait there, a buying say limited that be. Let's try to do something to solve this thing. And then the people doing this too, I don't know. Ghana has said, as someone can say, we don't take mental health serious. Into Obama said it, or call asemu na asem ha ne krana wo suro se wo beba abontiam. Entia na aware mu no most often ya mbema etaiwu eja emma no. Because ensema eda wo no bema ne so no. Want to mean beka because our society is against that thing. What you make an our society is against that thing. Okoka yesi etio to a na tribema bo. Eni nti wo ye bema na sebe. Oko arewo bi mu a oka ewa bonte pe ye be srew. Ye be srew. How many times have we not seen in Mema wo musu say wo mo girl say jai omo Ghana kra yen sre sankrofo no. We will laugh at you. But you say wo ba osun say ne boy China. People don't really laugh. Ngo fofa ne normal. People say, oh sorry. People say, obon say you dey attacking Bema ne say men are trash. But more Bema mbe abontin besu sisi ase ne girl China. Obi abesre Bema no. So in our society, a man Bema ne kra no, we get frustrated. We can't talk to people. Depression kunyen. Inti ne bufu kakra bi no wontumi an control ne ho pe watwe sekan ya wo bi ekuno ne ni beba ne ho so no na wodi nyamra asem ne ni beba ne ho so na wodi nyamra asem. So you see, this problem is a very huge one. For you to just sit somewhere and think, say, oh wait there, we don't have to go inside. For you to just think, it just shows Sebin Prediasa how you are not even seeing the thing as a deep issue. Yes. It just shows how you are neglecting the whole thing and seeing it as a deep issue. Like it just exposes that mentality or that side of you. Yeah. There are a lot of Makatra must say sometime. I think late last year. Now every time, robbery cases, especially the eastern region and the northern side. Now robbery also every day. Sorry, be near the robbery case. I bet in Edu baby make I said Darby. I will not report on it again because it's as if we are always reporting on the robbery. I said, yeah, no robbery in the area. The CA reported. We were always reporting on the robbery cases, and nothing was being done. This year, I think it's a year called December. Police work Babonte ebe deploy police work. I said this time around they were more serious. This year we've seen effect of that. Robbery cases no are called from. Obi beka say be a coronavirus ne come, but in any way robbery cases now confirmed this year. But this year and so there are lots of cases be and also page animal, just like what we are just discussing. People just killing people. Why any serial killing no? Once a serial killing there. And no be say a young crophobia said ye beka say wo mo adwuma no no ya bo mo pa say wo mu nkun nipa enye but no na adwuma say nipa ko no won feri won suro say wo be kun nipa. But this time around we are not seeing that too. We are seeing normal families, normal people won ne yiri anya asem into we kuno ne yiri afanechi into we kuno woni we edidi Ose men friend na mo wakofa or the bibia boni trimekuno. Just say normal family issues. And anka sebe ye betumi atena se asolve. People feel say that be nipekum. That be o. But why would you even think that way? Say the last way you try to resolve this matter, nipekum. Wow. Wow. This is an issue we need to see. Any can say did agro. Any coin say asem way ye di agro. We need to see it as serious as it is. Intia na masha da kasa fa hono. Say abai ne bebe mu. Say psychological expert ne bebe mu. If we be holding town meetings for families, so say whatever. Let's try and let people know. Mon try mo comment box ni mo, but that's it.